Thank you for your interest in Spirit of a Woman. I love this workshop. Actually, let's call it a retreat, because we offer it in Greece. And each year women come from all over Europe and even as far as Australia, and they make the annual pilgrimage to the Spirit of a Woman, which is on the island of Corfu, right next to the sea, the Mediterranean Sea. It's so inviting. And we do it in a venue which is open sky and under the olive trees, and everything around the environment itself is feminine. Also, of course, being with women in that work and being able to really be open and honest with each other, and not to be in that sort of competitive place, but actually in a very supportive and loving place, and real and direct, and really being kind of like candid about some of the things that we fear to really say with another woman. Yeah, and really opening up to that, as well as facing different aspects of our, growing up as a woman and the challenges we face, and, what kind of role models you had as a woman. Who taught you how to be feminine, or who taught you how to be vulnerable, who taught you how to be in your power, who taught you how to, how you are as a mother, There's many different things that maybe we didn't learn, or how to be intimate in sexuality, So when women come together, it's quite amazing, it's quite a precious place. It's very down to earth, very, direct. This is a particular kind of workshop that really brings women to come out of their comfort zone, to face many things that they've maybe faced challenged with, and also to feel the support of other women and really support it. It's alive, it's passionate, it's deep, it's confronting, it's open, it's honest, and it's a Spirit of a Woman in full blossom on the island of Corfu, Greece. So maybe we see you there.